have no complaints. And coming from me, the picky person, not having no complaints, y'all know this hair is A1. Y'all need to go get it. And when y'all see the price for 24 inches, hi guys, hi Glow Gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I just want to give you a gist of what this channel is. So hold up, the disrespect. Okay, y'all gonna have to put some respect on my name before we go any further. If you ain't noticed, I'm a whole Beyonce out here. If you ain't noticed. Anyway, y'all, some things have been going on in my life, but besides the pain and the heartache, God has truly blessed me with an amazing family, and I got engaged on Sunday. Or I'm sorry, I got engaged on Tuesday, and yeah, I just have to get that out there. Comment congratulations if you want to congratulate me, but wedding date is coming soon. I'm gonna vlog all of that, and I want you guys to be in on that. But I just wanted to get that out of the way before we get started. But besides that, if you are a newcomer or a new subscriber, because you should be subscribing if you're here, I want to welcome you to the gang, Glow Gang. I'm Glory, Glamorous Glow, and this channel is all about lifestyle, beauty, fashion, self-love, and self-care. So today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be a hair review. So this hair is from Amazon Prime. This hair is from Amazon Prime. Okay, y'all, if I get the slur in this, I had some tequila. Okay, I ain't gonna lie. It's called Younsolo hair on Amazon Prime. I needed this hair because I wanted it, and I got an Amazon Prime because it comes in like 2 days. I mean, that's pretty much the only reason why I shop on Amazon, because what's the point of having a regular Amazon? Like, you supposed to have Amazon Prime. Who orders regular? Who? Anyway, I order off Amazon Prime so I can get it like that, and I'm actually low-key, high-key impressed. And if you want to know, first of all, this shirt is so cute. It's giving me summer vibes. This is very trendy to the little bandana shirt. This was in my Shein haul, my last Shein haul. If you ain't watch it, I'm gonna go ahead and put it up here so you can go ahead and click on it and watch it, so you can get some cute little clothes for the summer. But this bandana top is so cute, and I just paired it with some black biker shorts, and that's it. That's a simple little fit. Okay, anyway, let's get into this hair. So it's 24 inches. It's a natural color. This is my hair. First of all, I installed this a little over a week ago. Like, yeah, pretty much a little over a week ago. So this is my hair. I've had it, I wet it and put mousse on it and everything else, and did the little wet look on Tuesday. Today is Thursday, and I haven't done anything to this hair since Tuesday. So this is how it looks like in this dry state or whatever, when I don't brush it out or anything. And I like to wear it in its natural state. Like, it's not that bad. Like, the poofiness, do I wish it was a little bit more curly? Yes, but I would suggest if you want the curliness, the curly wet look, get a curly hair. Don't get deep wave. Deep wave is gonna still be wavy. It's not gonna be curly. So if you want a curly wet look, go for curly hair. I wanted a curly wet look, but I wasn't really thinking straight, and I ended up getting a deep wave because it still kind of looks similar to what I wanted, till I got it and I've had it for a while, and I'm like, yeah, I would prefer the curly kind. But anyway, so far so good. I mean, honestly, the only thing that I will say that is probably a con that people will complain about is how big it gets if you don't wet it, and it gets dry pretty fast. Like, yeah, it gets dry pretty fast. So This is not the curls that's gonna stay. I mean, they look pretty good right now, but y'all know what I mean. Well, I just wanted to show you it in the dry state. I want to go, and if my lace is lifting, mind you, if my lace is lifting, like I said, I installed this about a week ago, so it's about time for it to come off. So I just wanted to do this review and let you guys know how I feel about it within a week, so I can take it off, because I'm about to do some stuff to this wig, and I hope you guys tune into my next video that's gonna be about a wig. Anyway, so I wanted to show you guys how it looks in this dry state. This is 150% density, 24 inches. Comes down to, I would say it comes down to like my waist. If I stretch it out, it comes down to my waist. But if I leave it curly, it'll come like right above my waist, the longest piece. So this is this dry state. I have some, let me grab what I have. Oh. So I have some mousse, some water, and a brush. On Tuesday, I did put some gel on it, but I'm not gonna put any gel on it today. I'm just gonna, hopefully the residue of the gel that was on it Tuesday is gonna work good enough. We're gonna find out. So first, now this technique, I haven't tried yet. So when I say that it dries within like an hour, I don't want you guys to quote me on that, because I need to try different, I would say I need to try different methods so that I can know what this type of hair, what I have to do to this type of hair, you know. So I usually just wet it up and then brush it, but I saw somebody's method where they brushed it all out and then they wet it and then they put the mousse and then they will brush it out. So I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna try a different method and see how that turns out. So I'm just gonna brush it out lightly, nothing major. If my lace lifts while I'm brushing, don't laugh at me. Don't laugh at me, okay? It's time for this to come down. It is time for it to come down. And y'all, I love a big, full, curly look. Long though, not short. That looks, I don't like no short, puffy look. I don't think it look cute on me, but long, curly, poofy hair. Oh my gosh, the volume, all of that give me life. So we're just gonna keep brushing a little bit. I know my lace probably lifting over here, mind's business. We're gonna keep on brushing it out. Yeah, this shirt is, y'all can tell me this shirt not cute. I gotta show y'all the back. Like, look at the back. That's so cute. The colors, I don't know if you can see the pink color on that side. Okay, I'm doing the most just to show y'all this pink color. I don't know which side it's on, but it have a bunch of different colors, and I love pattern type of clothes. You know, I'm really out of shape. I shouldn't be tired brushing my own damn head. That's sad. I think this is the most I'm gonna brush it out, because I don't feel like brushing it. And y'all, this hair is extremely soft. It barely tangles. I mean, for some wavy, deep wave, long hair, it barely tangles, y'all. Like, look how I'm easily, mind you, I haven't did anything. I haven't done anything to this hair since Tuesday. Today is Thursday. Look how easy it is for me to brush it out. It's really easy for me to brush it out. Like, I'm not having any trouble at all. I can rub my fingers through it. This hair is really soft. It's really soft. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, it doesn't tangle. If it sheds, it's minimal. Like, it's gonna shed. It's curly hair, and I ain't brushed it in how many days? Like, that's crazy. It still doesn't give me a lot of shedding. Honestly, I mean, that's not a lot to me. I don't know. Anyway, this is the most I'm gonna brush it out. So now I'm gonna wet it down. And I was going for the wet look, the little slick back wet look, when I first installed this, but them little baby hairs and disappeared, and we still gonna attempt to do it today. But let me go ahead and wet this up. And y'all, I'm only hoping that this look good. on camera. I hope y'all can see good, cause this light. We're gonna just keep wetting it. I want to get it as wet as possible. I should have brought a towel down here. All right, we're wetting it. Woo, baby, this is wet. That's what he said.
Shut your lame ass up, man.
First of all, I'm extremely childish. It really makes no sense. So let me go ahead and... My shirt is trying to flash, y'all. Why? I don't know. Yeah, I gotta go get my ring customized because I got some little wrinkled, scrawny fingers and they ain't got no meat on them. So my ring just be doing its own little thing because it's not tight enough. So I gotta go figure out how to get that fixed. Cause boo, I can't be out here slaying my ring backwards and all that. And it's not his fault because he know my ring size, but I mean, that's the smallest he could get. He had to get the smallest one. And other than that, I have to go in and let them size my little finger or whatever. See, y'all, this is cute. The hair is cute. I'm not gonna say the deep wave hair is not cute. I just would prefer the curly for the kind of look that I was thinking of in my head. But boo, look at the shine. And I like I like to flip it. I like to do a little, just to flip it. I don't like the part. Well, I do like parts. Now, let me stop lying. I like parts, but with this hair, when I started, I didn't put no part in it. Like, I just wanted it to be natural, as natural as possible. So I didn't put a part in his hair. It's a free part frontal. And I didn't put no, okay, this is the last of this I'm gonna put in there. And I was going for the slick back wet look. So we're gonna see if we can go ahead and try and tip that. But look at it. Y'all, this is so easy to comb. Y'all didn't see me snag or nothing, not one time. Nah, y'all might see this lace lift up. But this hair, baby, this hair is some good hair. I'm not gonna hold y'all up. Amazon Prime, y'all did y'all little thing with this one. Look at that. Alright, so that's how it looks wet. That's cute. And like I said, this hair is amazing. Like, y'all, I really don't have no complaints. I don't have any complaints about this hair at all. It came in a natural color. It was brown, yes. If you want to dye it black, you can dye it black. It does not come back jet black, which I don't really care for. I would have dyed this jet black, but I'm dyeing it a different color, so I feel like that was pointless. And I was only wearing it in this color for a week. Y'all see this lifting? I was only gonna wear it for this color in a week, so I'm about to take this off shortly after this, and y'all gonna see what I got next. So boo, stay down. You embarrassing me. Okay. Damn. Hold on now. Just complimenting you. Okay. So that's that. This hair got me feeling myself. So I had this little bandana. This how I wear it on Tuesday. I had like my little bandana on. I mean, my little headband on. That's cute, right? All right, guys, so that is this hair. Like I said, I absolutely love this hair. I don't have any complaints. I mean, I don't have any complaints. Like, I literally don't. It doesn't tangle. It barely sheds. The wave is adorable. It looks very natural. And it's dry state and it's wet state. It looks gorgeous. Like, I have no complaints. And coming from me, the picky person, not having no complaints, y'all know this hair is A1. Y'all need to go get it. And when y'all see the price for 24 inches, anyway, I hope y'all order this wig. Let me know how you like this video. If you want to see more hair reviews, let me know in the comments below. Again, thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye.